this is a quick tour of my butterfly farm. Right, so we start with the small tortoiseshell painting, which is your favourite.
Yes.
Then we go to, well, yeah, this is a mirror. Then we go to the blue morpho butterfly, in this case here, and lots of insects in lots of little display
Yeah, and
cases,
I made
as
all
you
of them.
can see.
Rebecca made the ones like over there.
Yeah, in that display case. Then there's this little purple clover tile.
Yeah.
For look, kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then here's Pat, my first ever butterfly that I looked after. And in here is a little butterfly protection case where you can see lots of chrysalis, and this one here is the orange tip chrysalis. Then here you can see a little statue of the monarch butterflies, which I saw in Mexico. Then here is the Brussels with caterpillars on, and I think they are yellow underwings. No, not yet. Then
there's
over here. Oh yeah, there's another here.
And then that one
Then
looks
here,
like that's a looper moth.
it's the looper moth.
And it looks like it's creeping to the leaf.
Yeah, and in here is the grey dagger moth buried in the soil here, making a cocoon. Here is a butterfly identification sheet, where here is your favourite, the small tortoiseshell, my favourite, the peacock, and Sarah's favourite, the holly blue, isn't it? Then here is a beautiful butterfly in a display case. But speaking of display cases, there's this giant display case here where there's lots of things in, like these insects and butterflies in display cases. But then there's also these butterfly hibernation homes where the butterfly goes in through the little slips, like the holes, and then there's also a stick that goes like along somewhere. But then the butterfly kind of like sits on the stick and hibernates on it basically. But this hole here, there's a sponge where the sugar water is like soaked in that you can make, and the butterfly drinks the sugar water. So yeah.
And also, as you can tell, the middle one's mine.
Yeah, and then the other two are mine that we painted. Yeah. Then over here is the microscopes. There's this microscope here, and there's also this really cool microscope where this little screen here shows what we're looking at under the microscope, but that links up to the computer, and then the computer links up to the TV, which is really cool because we can see it really big when we're looking at butterfly wing scales and things like that.
Yeah.
So here is another blue morpho butterfly, which is Sarah's other favourite. And then here is another butterfly farm sign from Mattioli Woods, yeah. Here is a chestnut tiger butterfly, in this case here. And then there's some lovely decoration. And over here is a beautiful table that we made. We hope you liked looking around our butterfly farm.
That's it for now. Bye!